The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. In English grammar, tense refers to the time of an action, event, or state. It tells us whether something happened in the past, is happening now, or will happen in the future. Here we have examples. The first example is, he goes to school. This example shows the present time. The other example is, he went to school. This time this sentence shows past. The last example is, he will go to school. This sentence tells us about the future, that he will go to school. In these sentences, the action is goes to school, but the time of the action is different. The tense helps us understand that time. Why are tenses important? Tenses help us speak English correctly, write clear and meaningful sentences, understand when an action takes place, communicate our ideas effectively. Without tenses, it would be difficult to know whether an action happened before, is happening now, or will happen later. Here we have main types of tenses. Present tense. Present tense describes actions that happen in the present. Past tense. Past tense describes actions that happened in the past. Future. Future tense describes the actions that will happen in the future. Each tense has 4 types. Let's know about it. Now, let's take a look at the present tense table. The present tense consists of 4 main types, and each type is used in different situations. Present simple tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, the past tense and future tense also have the same 4 types. Past simple tense. Past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense. And future simple tense. Future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. As you can see, the structure of all 3 tenses is similar. We simply replace the word present with past or future while keeping the 4 types the same. However, it is important to remember that each tense and each type has its own specific function and usage. So, in total, we have 12 English tenses. In addition, each tense can be used in 4 sentence forms: positive, negative, interrogative, negative interrogative. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss each tense in detail, learn its structure, understand its usage, and practice all 4 sentence forms with plenty of examples. This step-by-step approach will help you master English tenses and improve both your speaking and writing skills. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to WUH Creator for more English grammar and learning videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning English.